Hello and welcome back to the Productive Hour, where we fight mediocrity together. Do subscribe the channel if you like the content. Today we'll start a new series about books, where we will review, summarize, or objectify some good, some legendary, and some ordinary books. Without any further ado, let's start with book number 1, Psychology of Money. Psychology of Money is not another get-rich scheme. In fact, it's the total opposite and talks about how money works and changes hands, how we handle money, and what's the reason behind that. It's not going to yell at you that whatever you are doing is wrong. In fact, its prime message is no one is crazy. How money works widely differs person to person. What seems crazy to you might make sense to me. Quoting author, the person who grew up in poverty thinks about risk and rewards in ways the child of a wealthy banker cannot fathom, even if he tried. What you think how money works in the world is 80% truth according to you is merely a 0.0000001% reality. The book will give you answers to some grave questions like why some middle class average person is successful in making millions and at the same time a billionaire loses everything. Why do people bury themselves in debt? What is the role of luck in your success? Is Bill Gates lucky to have Microsoft? How much is enough? These are just some random questions I did iterate. The book is a gold mine to understand your money and your mind. The book is presented in 20 easy to read lessons, each answering the elephant in the room in its own way, with real life examples. With a bonus for all readers, a brief history of why the US consumers thinks the way they do. In the end, it's a masterpiece which makes you understand the true reality, cost, and purpose of money. It did not jump on the bandwagon and give you 15 steps to be rich and explained the psychology of money.